Hi there, this is Tina from ohsnapletsEat.com. Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp and egg stir fry, also known as虾仁炒蛋. Shrimp and egg stir fry is a classic Chinese dish made with marinated tender shrimp, stir-fried with scrambled eggs, garlic, and green onions. Let's get started by gathering our ingredients. For the shrimp marinade, you will need half a pound of shrimp, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of rice cooking wine or michiu, half teaspoon of salt, and then for the eggs mixture, you will need 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of water, half teaspoon of salt. Then for the rest of the stir fry, you'll need 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 stalk of green onions, and salt and white pepper to taste. Now let's make stir-fried shrimp and eggs. In a bowl, mix shrimp and cornstarch, rice cooking wine, and salt together, and allow that to marinate for about 15 to 30 minutes. In another bowl, add eggs, cornstarch, water, salt, and mix well. Add cooking oil in a cooking pan, and add half of the green onions along with the garlic. Then add the shrimp and allow it to cook on one side for about a minute, then flip to the other side. The shrimp should start to turn pink. Add the egg mixture into the pan, allowing the egg to start solidifying. You can cover to speed up this process if you would like. Just keep an eye on it so it doesn't overcook. Once the eggs are cooked, start scrambling everything together. Stir fry until the shrimps are cooked thoroughly. Then sprinkle the rest of the green onions and mix well. Remove from heat and serve. And that is how you cook shrimp and egg stir fry. Remember to subscribe for more delicious Asian recipes.